Guys, I look under this Christmas tree this morning and I have not seen any gift for me under the tree. And do you know that I laugh and I'm like, I start buying Christmas gift from March of this year. When I see something that somebody maybe want, I'll buy it. But I look under this tree this morning and I haven't seen any gift for me. And now it's Christmas gift. Christmas Eve, everyone out running around trying to get gift today, and I already buy all my gifts and wrapped them days ago. So I just want to remind everyone that Christmas is for giving. It's not about receiving. And if I don't get a gift this year, it doesn't matter. I don't care. As long as I give someone a gift. And not just my family, but someone who in needs as well. So, giving on Christmas is how I feel to share with who I can. Have a happy holiday, guys.